All right, everyone. So this just came in the mail today, and this exactly took about. This thing exactly took 2 weeks to get in here. I was expecting much less or much more. I kind of forgot about it, and this was just an extra accessory to ordered. I saw there was plenty of videos that were showing how it looked when put in, but I saw there wasn't any unboxing going on. But there's nothing to unbox. Pretty much when I opened it, I realized there was nothing to unbox. But this is the center console where the cigarette lighter or the cigarette, where the coin holder or whatever, cigarette ashtray. Yeah, the ashtray goes by Paleo Fab. He has this cup holders where I got the two cup holders, which kind of joins together. But I'm gonna do a little unboxing video of that and how it goes together, what's all included in this video, and how it looks on the Gen 2 Montero. All right, so the packaging is pretty good for the shipment, just to survive the shipment. And right off the bat, if you guys can see this, it do look pretty cool, especially because it's 3D printed and stuff. So it looks pretty. Has a little design to it. I'm pretty sure all of you 3D printing guys know what that design is, but I was not expecting this. I was expecting to be more glossy. Like I was thinking, there's gonna be like buffing it out and then paint over it. But this looks kind of raw finish to it. This is the second cup holder. This is not the main cup holder that goes over the ashtray, but this is the one that goes over the ashtray. And yeah, same design. Kind of a big, like more than regular, I would say. This one, the cup holders are a little bit supersized, I want to say, but not really. I would say a large drink fits in there from McDonald's or Popeyes or whatever, or Cane's, if you guys got any. This is how much the side or the second cup holder weighs, about 138 grams, 136 grams, and the big one, the one that goes over the ashtray, which most people are going to use, weighs about 245 grams. I don't know why anyone would care about adding weights on this one. It's not like it's going to be a big difference, like there's going to be a major weight gain or difference, but it's just a cool little factor. Yeah, doesn't look so bad. It has a screw in there. I'm guessing there's clips or like notches to go into there, and there's that hole. So I would definitely recommend putting the screw in. Just put a little bit of pressure on it and then just tighten it by hand, and it should just barely tip. It should just screw right in to that little plastic piece, because when it wasn't screwed in, there was a little play in there, and I'm guessing if you're gonna be driving around like 50 miles per hour, that shake's gonna come in. This console sometimes shakes on my car, and there's little to no play on this one. And also make sure to take out this one, because if you don't, the top part of this one is gonna stick out a little bit, or it's not gonna be flush. If you can see this, but there's like a little it's not 100% flush, but rather if you take that piece out and you put it in, it's gonna be flush sitting in there. I don't know if the camera picks up, but yeah, those are two of the recommendations that I would say make sure you guys do. Screw it in and then just take off the cigarette lighter, whatever.